Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Where are others? All of you, where are others? Coming. So I will wait for 2-3 minutes, huh? Let them. Any classes going on?
No, ma'am.
Why you all are late? We'll wait for 2 minutes, then I will start. Hello? Hello? All of you? What we had done previous class?
Yes.
Last
Ma'am,
was
two rules
rules of precedence.
Rules of precedence. Acha, acha. So I had told you Wilfan formula previous class. Huh? So I'll tell you Wilfan formula. Ten minutes is your example. Acha. So Wilfan formula C I had told you here. A proposition formula. Can you see all of you the screen?
Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
A proposition formula is said to be well-formed formula if it has the following properties. Atomic proposition A everything. dx by dt. dt square. ସେମିତି 2a3 value ବି ଆସୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ tq ଟା ହିଁ correct. What is it? 1 second. Look for 1 second. Okay. So well-formed formula, listen, well-formed formula, what we do, atomic proposition is, that is always well-formed formula. Okay. And P, if P is well-formed formula, then negation P is also well-formed formula. Okay.
Ma'am, you have not shared your screen.
Not scared? Oh, once. Chaliye. One second. If P is well-formed formula, then negation P is also well-formed formula. And if P and Q well-formed formula, P and Q, and P implies Q all are well-formed formula. Nothing else is well-formed formula. Okay. So suppose I will write can you see the screen, all of you? Suppose
ma'am.
I will write here. Yes. P or Q and R. P or Q and R. Okay. P and Q or R also. Anything. Suppose I will write this one. P and Q or R. This is the compound proposition. You know, all of you, this is compound proposition. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this, suppose one student will write this one as P and Q or R. Another one tell nothing, no bracket is there, no systematic way it is written. So I will write in this form P and Q or R. Okay. So can it be written or not in these two ways?
Yes, ma'am.
So this can be written in these two ways. But when we will go for the truth table for this one and this one, these two are not equivalent. Okay, P and Q or R, it is not equivalent to P and Q or R. Okay, all of you understood? These two are not equivalent. These two are different. Okay, if these two are different, then this cannot be the well-formed formula. It is not written in systematic way. So it is not the well-formed formula. Not well-formed formula. Understood? Not well-formed formula. This one is well-formed formula. Clear, all of you? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
But if we write like this or write like this will be well-formed formula. Understood what I told? Huh? Because see, P and Q or R, this is well-formed because it is written in a systematic way. First, you will evaluate P and Q, then first you will write P, Q, then P and Q, then P and Q or R. Okay, understood? You cannot change this one. You cannot write this in any other way. Understood, all of you or not? What is well-formed formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the well-formed formula. So now, and I have told you also rules of precedence. Rules of precedence that we will use later on, but now, then we'll go for satisfiable. Satisfiable. Okay. Satisfiable. Satisfiable. Class करची करी पछि satisfiable. So write down. What is satisfiable? Write down. A compound proposition is satisfiable. A compound proposition. A compound proposition a compound proposition is satisfiable A compound proposition is satisfiable if there is an assignment of truth values. If there is an assignment of truth values. If there is an assignment of truth values, to its variables, that makes it true. Makes it true. Okay. That is simple way also you can tell what is satisfiable. That is when it is a tautology. When it is a tautology or a contingency. Okay. Simple way you can tell if the compound proposition is a tautology or a contingency. Then it is satisfiable. Clear all of you? All of you? Understood, Nani? What is satisfiable?
Yes, ma'am.
The compound proposition is satisfiable if it will be either a tautology or a contingency, but not contradiction. If it will be contradiction, it will be unsatisfiable. Okay. Completed all of you. Then write down unsatisfiable. 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 When the compound proposition is false, when the compound proposition is false for all assignments of truth values, for all assignments of truth values. For all assignments of truth values to its variables. The compound proposition is unsatisfied. Okay, unsatisfied. simple way you can tell if it is a contradiction, then that is unsatisfactory. Otherwise, you can tell in different way the compound proposition is unsatisfiable if and only if its negation is a tautology. Negation is a tautology means the compound proposition is contradiction. Completed? Love you.
Yes, ma'am.
Example. Determine whether each of the compound propositions, determine whether each of the compound propositions is satisfiable. Okay. Get it? First one. P or negation Q. P or negation Q and Q or negation R and R or negation P. Okay. First one. Second one, P or Q or R and negation P or negation Q or negation R. Negation P or negation Q or negation R. Third one, P or negation Q or negation Q and Q or negation R and R or negation P and P or Q or R and negation P or negation Q or negation R. Okay, these three. First one I will show you, second, third you can do, no problem. Okay. Completed, all of you?
Ma'am, in the last line, it is negation P, right?
Negation P, here. Negation P. Okay. Completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So see, first one I will show you. It is satisfiable or not. Second, third, similar way we can do. So understand when it will be satisfiable if it is either contingency or tautology. So what do you have to do? All of you. What do you have to do? बताओ. You have to construct the truth table. So construct करो truth table. Can you do or not, all of you? Truth table. क्या रे? You people are not responding, not answering. What happened? बताओ truth table कर पाओगे ना नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो कंस्ट्रक्ट करो truth table, स्टार्ट करो. If you cannot draw the truth table, you cannot do the problems. First P, then Q, then R, then negation P, negation Q, negation R. Okay, then P or negation Q, then Q or negation R. Q or negation R. Then बताओ बेटा उसके बाद क्या होगा.
R or negation P.
R और negation P. उसके बाद तो कंपाउंड प्रपोजिशन है. P और negation Q and
Q or negation R.
Q और negation R and R or negation
R or negation P.
R or negation P. R or negation P. Okay. Next one. Construct the truth table. First P का क्या? What will be the truth values for P? बताओ. P का true, for false. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Q का
Double true, double
2
false.
times true, 2 times false.
2 times false. If you will not answer, I cannot know. You are getting not understood. You understood. Okay. Then R.
True, false, true,
True,
false.
false, true, false.
True, false. True, false, true, false. True, false. Okay. Check. So अभी ये we can do. बताओ negation P, negation Q, negation R. This you write. Negation P. For false, for true. For false, for true. Negation Q. True, false, true, true. Na? True, false, true, true. Okay. R. False, true. False, true. False, true. False, true. Okay. Then बताओ what will be P or negation Q? बताओ. Yes or no? Is this or not? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Q or negation R. True, true,
False.
false, true, true,
True, false.
then true, false, true. True, false, true. True, false, true. Okay. Then R or negation P. True, false, true, false, true, or other are true. Huh? All are true. All are true, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Then last one. And. True, true, true. So it is true. Then all are false. Because see, what is and? If all are true, it will be true. If all are true, it will be true. Otherwise, everything false.
False.
So first one true, last one true. Everywhere it is false. Okay, first one true, last one true. Otherwise it is false. Okay. Clear, all of you? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you tell me, it is the compound proposition is satisfiable or not? It is tautology or contingency? Here it is tautology or contingency? Everything forgot.
Neither of the two.
Huh?
And contingency.
Contingency. Why contingency?
Because both true and false are there.
Okay, so it will be yes, it will be satisfiable or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Since it is contingency, it is mixing values of true and false, it will be satisfiable. Okay, all of you. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And if it is purely all the values are true, then also it will be satisfiable. Okay. Second one क्या होगा बता पाओगे? Second one देख के बताओ. Second one, can you tell? See second one without truth table. Tell. Second one without construct the truth table. Tell it will be satisfiable or not. See, it is and. All of you, see, it is and. It is and. Sometimes question comes without constructing truth table, so it is satisfiable or not. Question. It is and. So, batao, it will be tautology or contingency or contradiction. Go. What?
Ma'am, unsatisfiable.
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 Why beta unsatisfiable?
And since the and
Should be.
operator is used.
Acha, and operator is used. Acha, see, all of you, see the truth table for and conjunction. Okay, all of you see there. See there.
Ma'am, it will be satisfiable with a contingency.
Yes. All of you see the truth table for and. See your copy. If P is true, Q is true, then only P and Q is true. Okay. And see here, if this will be true, this will be true. Then only their combination, their combining, this value will be true. Yes or no? Otherwise, it is false everywhere. Getting or not, all of you? So obviously,
Yes, ma'am.
it will be combination of true and false. It will be contingency. Understood now what I told?
Yes, ma'am.
At least one true will be present. At least one true will be present. If all the will be false also, at least one true will be present. Clear? So, obviously it is a contingency. Understood? Third one also you can tell like this. Mata, can you tell? And table, and. And is used. Conjunction. See? Batao beta.
It is also contingency.
Contingency. I love you. And see, one thing understand, if you cannot know without truth table, always construct the truth table. Understood? If you are confused or you cannot know, construct the truth table and see it is satisfiable or unsatisfiable. That is the better way for you. Understood, all of you? Understood what I told? Utkarsh, Himanshu, Atika.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how are we able to decide without constructing the table?
That I am.
Yes, ma'am, exactly same doubt.
हाँ सुनो मेरे बेटा सुनो. If you cannot know without constructing truth table, okay, if you are doubt in your mind or you are confused, you don't remember the truth table or you cannot know, then it is better way for you to construct the truth table and to see it is satisfiable or not. It is better way for you, because if this is big compound proposition, then obviously you'll be confused. Yes or no? If without truth table, so you construct truth table and you see it is better. Understood ना नहीं मेरी बात में क्या बोली? All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So you construct truth table in your rough also. You see it is satisfiable or not. Then you write your answer. Clear?
Ma'am, for the first part, if all the the output which is there, if all the values would be true, then that would be satisfiable. And if even any one is false, then that would be unsatisfiable, right?
Anyone is false?
I mean, we have given the first statement, right? That which we have done. So that problem is unsatisfiable.
First
Because
one.
Yes, ma'am.
First one is unsatisfiable. Why?
Ma'am, we according to definitions, we should have the truth values. Huh?
Huh.
So we are getting two truth values and rest are false.
Huh. It is a contingency.
Oh.
See, here I have told you, no, beta. If what is satisfiable? See, that is when it is a tautology or a contingency. Tautology means all the values are true. Contingency means mixing of true and false.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay. And contradiction means all the values will be false. Understood?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
for contradiction, it won't be satisfiable.
It is unsatisfiable.
Okay.
Okay. If these values these values all will be false, no true values, and it will be unsatisfactory. Third one, you try. All of you do the truth table for third one and tell me next class what you are getting. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one, construct the truth table and see what it is coming.
Ma'am, we can construct the truth table and get the values, but how are you able to decide without constructing it? What's the trick in it?
The way I told, na? Here you see. This is actually the way. Achha, see here. See here. Actually, here is two compound propositions. One is P or Q or R, another is negation P or negation Q or negation R. Understood? Two compound propositions. So, two compound proposition means, suppose this one is your R. This one is S. Okay. So, what will be R and S? Getting all of you? Getting or not? Suppose hold this P or Q or R, this will take as R. This will take as S. Then R and S, and you know what is the, here I am writing again, you see. So, P or Q or R and negation P or negation Q or negation R or negation R. Suppose this is, we will tell this total is P. The P or T low. This total I will take as K. Okay. So, what will be our conjunction? T and K? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. So, what is the truth table for conjunction? If T is true, K is true, then only T and K will be true. Yes or no? Otherwise, it is always false. Getting? See the
Yes,
truth
ma'am.
table for conjunction. If T is true, K is true, then only it is true. Otherwise, everywhere it is false. Understood what I told? So, see, this one, if this is true, then obviously their conjunction will be true. And at least one true value will come. Okay. Understood or nahi?
Then why the third question is not contingency? Also having and operator.
Third one.
In the third question, it is also having and operator. So why is it not?
See, here P or negation Q. Here Q or negation R. Here
Okay.
R or negation P. Okay, but here three variables. Here two variables. Here three variables. Here two propositions. Here three propositions. Getting? So according to that, you have to decide. Seeing the proposition, compound proposition. That's why I am telling you, if you are confused, okay, you cannot know somewhere, you go for the truth table. That is better way.
And question 3 is nothing but the compound proposition of 1 and 2, right? Question 1 and 2.
Compound proposition.
Question number 3 is nothing but the compound proposition of question 1 and 2, right?
Yes.
Question 1 and 2 both are contingency or satisfiable. So their and won't be satisfiable.
Combine karo. Both ko combine karke dekho what you are getting. See, it is not that it will be, if first one contingency, second one contingency, third one will be contingency. That is not. that you cannot
Okay.
tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to see, you have to construct truth table. Seeing the compound proposition, it is difficult. If logically you cannot think correctly, then it will be rough. So you find and see. Okay. So next class we'll go for applications of logic. Applications of logic. Achha, one thing you tell me here. Suppose I will tell you one sentence. I will tell you one sentence. One statement. It is not raining today. Okay. It is not raining today. This is sentence. Understand? This sentence is written in English language. Okay. So how? Using logic, you will write this sentence. You will write this statement. You will write this proposition. How will you write this?
Negation of P.
Negation of P. Good boy. Okay. So it will be negation of. So to get negation of P, first you should define what is P. Yes or no? First we should write what is P. Then you will go for negation P. So what is P here? What is P?
Today.
It is raining today. So first understand, if any sentence is if any proposition is given to you in English sentence, then you can write using logic. Okay. So first you have to write what is the proposition P. So P is, it is raining today. Then you will go for negation of P. All of you understood something or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha. Another one I will tell you. If you will score 10 CGPA, then you will be placed in a good company. Okay. So you write this using logic. Write this statement using logic. What you will write? बताओ.
P implication Q.
P implication Q. All of you understood ना नहीं बताओ? Anyone any doubt on this? First, you have to write this in logic. You have to write this English sentence in using the propositional logic. Okay. Shruti, Tisha, Asutosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, suno.
Yes, ma'am.
If I will, this type of sentences will be told to you, and can you write this in using your logic, propositional logic? Can you know which connectives will be used? Answer me.
ma'am.
Can you know or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Acha. Suppose I will tell you. So, you little bit read connectives, then only we can go for applications. How to write the English sentences using logic. Acha. Another line. Right. The diagnostic message is stored in the buffer. It's stored in the buffer. Or it is retransmitted. All of you should write this in your copy, examples. Or it is retransmitted. Batao, what you will write? What will be the compound statement? What will be the compound proposition for this?
P or Q?
P or Q?
P or Q.
All of you can know?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you. I'm asking all.
Yes, ma'am.
And listen, when you are telling it is P or Q, first you should define what is P, what is Q. You should write the proposition P and Q first. Then you will write P or Q. Understood, Ani? What to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this type of sentences we can write using the propositional logic, using the connectives in terms of compound propositions. Okay. So next class we'll go for this type of things. Next class. Puzzles, logic puzzles and all these things. All of you little bit you read connectives. If somebody don't remember, and or negation, if then, everything just you remember. Next class we'll go for puzzles, logic puzzles. All of you completed writing?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you do the classes. All of you attend the class. All of you respond the roles. 5007,
Present, ma'am.
138,
Present, ma'am.
171,
Present, ma'am.
237,
Present, ma'am.
273,
Present, ma'am.
308,
Present, ma'am.
534,
Present, ma'am.
622,
Present, ma'am.
652,
Present, ma'am.
768,
Present, ma'am.
1053,
Present, ma'am.
1158,
Present, ma'am.
274,
Present, ma'am.
510,
Present, ma'am.
533. Those who are not responding, don't tell later on. 561,
Present, ma'am.
565,
Present, ma'am.
581,
Present, ma'am.
596,
Present, ma'am.
598,
Present, ma'am.
599,
Present, ma'am.
617, 746, 792,
Ma'am, 533 wrote in the chat box that he is present.
792, Aditya, 799,
Present, ma'am.
821,
Present, ma'am.
855, 855, 864, 970,
Present, ma'am.
2016,
मैम शी इज प्रेजेंट मीटिंग में बैठी है बट उसका माइक नहीं काम कर रहा
2039,
Present, ma'am.
2040,
प्रेजेंट मैम
2246,
Present, ma'am.
2406,
Present, ma'am.
2411, 2446,
Present, ma'am.
2461,
Present, ma'am.
2605, 2605, 2617,
Present, ma'am.
2637,
Present, please.
2637, 2649,
Present, ma'am.
2669,
Present, ma'am.
2673,
प्रेजेंट मैम
2677,
Present, ma'am.
2679,
Present, ma'am.
2682,
प्रेजेंट मैम
2683,
Yes, ma'am.
2709,
Present, ma'am.
2720,
Present, ma'am.
2722,
Present, ma'am.
2725,
Present, ma'am.
2731,
Present, ma'am.
2739,
Present, ma'am.
2821,
प्रेजेंट मैम
2823,
Present, ma'am.
2853,
Present, ma'am.
2863, 2863, 3203,
Present, ma'am.
3205,
ma'am.
3210,
प्रेजेंट मैम
3212,
Present, ma'am.
3213,
Present, ma'am.
3218,
Present, ma'am.
3223,
Present, ma'am.
3232,
Present, ma'am.
3237,
Present, ma'am.
3242,
Present, ma'am.
3250,
Present, ma'am.
3336,
Present, ma'am.
3340,
Ma'am, he has raised his
3345,
Present, ma'am.
3346,
Present, ma'am.
3362, 3368,
Present, ma'am.
3382,
Present, ma'am.
3383,
प्रेजेंट मैम
3425.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1617 present.
Answer roll number
1617.
1617, 617.
Ma'am, 2605 also present.
First listen, then tell. 1617. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, 2605.
all of you respond or rolls in time. Otherwise, you don't tell later on. 2605 present.
Ma'am,